Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to connect Xbox Game Pass to your PC. Follow these instructions and you'll be ready to access a huge library of games and start playing right away. Step 1. Turn on your PC and ensure internet connectivity. Make sure your PC is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection. Step 2. Install the Xbox app. If you don't already have it, download and install the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox, and click Install. Step 3. Open the Xbox app. Once installed, launch the Xbox app from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Step 4. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Sign in using the Microsoft account that is linked to your Xbox Game Pass subscription. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. Step 5. Access Game Pass. Within the Xbox app, navigate to the Game Pass tab. Here, you'll see all the games available for download with your subscription. Step 6. Browse through the library of games. Once you find a game you want to play, select it to open the games page. Step 7. Install the game. Click Install and choose the destination folder on your PC. Wait for the download and installation to complete. This may take some time depending on the game size and your internet speed. Step 8. Start playing. Once installed, click Play to launch the game directly from the Xbox app and enjoy your gaming experience. That's it. You've successfully connected Xbox Game Pass to your PC and can now start exploring hundreds of games. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and professional gaming tutorials.